This is how you can remove watermark from your videos. Log on to this website and type 123apps.com. As you can see, 123apps watermark remover. Click on the first one. Yes, on this app we have a lot of options, like we have a screen recorder, text to speech, merge videos, add audio to video. You can do a lot of things with this website. So I'll leave it to you to come and explore what you can do, and I can also give you videos on the things that you will do on this website. But for now, we will stick on removing logo from our videos. So click on this. It's either you open a file or you drop files here. So you have to click on drop files here. Then I have a video here that I downloaded. So as you can see, this video has a logo with mini-marks and Helio AI, which I generated on my other faceless channel. So we have to select the logo and close it. When you're done, click apply. You see, that is done. So when you are done applying that, all you need to do is export your video. So on the paid version, that is when you can get 1080p resolution. This actually drops a bit of your resolution, but 720p is also good for your production. Click on export, save. So yeah, this is the video. You can see there is no watermark there. Okay, the second website is on Watermark AI. You can see this website doesn't allow you to sign in. All you need to do is click and upload your video. So click on the upload video, come down to where you have your video. I will still use the same video that I used in doing the previous example. As you can see, we still have the, let me play for you to see. We still have the watermark here. So all you need to do, highlight where you have the watermark and click remove now. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I even prefer this other site to the other one. So when you are done, you click on download. You can see I really love this other site. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, the third side on my list is watermark AI. Please, if you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. With this will help me to grow and to also give you more tips and AI that will help you to do your work conveniently. Okay, the last website on my list is watermark AI. You can see watermark AI video watermark remover. Click on this. So on the watermark AI, you can see these are the process you can use on the website to remove your watermark, to remove logo and watermark from videos, upload your videos, work process files, download your videos. It is as simple as that. You get, these are other things that you can do on the site: auto captions, video and image enhancer, watermark and subtitle remover. These are other things you can do on the site. So feel free to come and explore. So for now, let's do the watermark remover. Click and upload our video. Okay, our video is done. Click on the maximize button so you can see it very well. So as you can see, this is done completely. So all you need to do, click on the three dots and click download. Okay, let me know in the comment section which of these watermark removal have you used before, or which of them is your best. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.